Welcome to the Entrepreneur Show. There are many factors that determine success throughout life. However, I strongly believe that having the right attitude towards life, yourself, and others is one of the greatest factors of all. Obviously, there is something more than facilities and competence that makes for accomplishment. I have come to believe that this linkage factor, this catalyst if you will, can be defined in a single word: attitude. When our attitude is right, our abilities reach a maximum of effectiveness and good results inevitably follow. The right attitude can take you to the top of your profession. The right attitude can create extraordinary businesses. The right attitude can build an everlasting legacy. The right attitude can bring out the best in others. The right attitude can spark hope in those who are in need. Some of the biggest achievements in history were made by men and women who understood the importance of attitude. A good portion of the population will look at these accomplishments and think, wow, how in the world did they do that? We tend to believe these men and women have been blessed with a special gift over the rest of us, that there is no way we could ever do something that remarkable. It's that type of mental attitude that will leave you searching and wishing for more in life, never creating and leaving a legacy of your own. You have ultimate control over your attitude. You aren't any different from the next person. You have the ability to live your dream and create whatever it is you desire. It all comes down to your attitude. Why is it that some can earn an extraordinary amount of money with very little education? Why can some defeat such odds and go on to be some of the world's greatest achievers? Simple, their attitude they choose. You have two options. Choose a positive and resilient attitude despite any hardship you encounter along the way, or to allow life's minor mishaps negatively shape your attitude. What you choose will greatly determine the quality of your life. When you choose a positive attitude, no goal or dream is out of reach. If it has been done before, then you damn well know that you can do the same. Someone with a negative attitude loves to play the blame game. The economy limits their financial goals. Circumstances limit their vision for what they can accomplish. As an ambitious entrepreneur, tough times will come head on with you at some point or another, if they haven't already. To thrive and create everlasting success when most businesses struggle, it's imperative that you have a great attitude. Take advantage of your power and the ability to choose whatever attitude it is you desire. But just know that such a little thing makes such a major difference. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like and press bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment which topic you'd like to see next video on. Till then, do whatever you want to do, guys. See you soon.